How to manage seller response you've given on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage seller response you've given on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and then click these three lines here and go down until you find settings and privacy, and then click settings and go down, and here we'll find this one, activity log, and click this one, interactions, and here click seller response you have given, and here you can manage it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.